Legal Aid Clinic along a kangpu Diphu Judicial Court along Kedo District Legal Service Authority along Legal Aid Clinic along a Akihai Justice and Koteswar Singh Judge Guwahati High Court Kam Executive Chairman Assam State Legal Service Authority Aridengpen in Kuponlo Long a kangpu amai along Legal Aid Clinic Klembang Atum Karbiang long Radaphan Than Pachini Onangji DLSA atum ki klempon sai kachini ni atum dopik tahailang monit atum ke chok che doveklo peneng atum ke ning oi mimi alam penta police case phonang ko jok tangka kawe pena jok kachilang un e aningkan dopik pek hem kangsam chebeng nang kok atum ta do kado kawe atum tangka maha ki joyver ke kali kes dokok apita advocate chirinang kokpo advocate aphan tangka kiti move pena jogning oi meme a kes pentame aningkan kes sepa judun e tunta do lasi meklang no apran ke en hai hui pen abiar kes anke legal age lapen DLS etum cherab duna jakong do lason thak thak se oso markinet kanghu hem meke cholang ke thepen kisung ke pho osomar aphan bangsot kibi arta kijum a osupya phan meklang no cholang rem det pen a oso aphan kerab duna jakong do an cholong le det ta kalilang kiduk det ahem tona long kesu kachilang ji aphan ta tangka kadure atuma phan anta langdun si rab duna ji pusi chief justice n kokiswar singh pen pachini pon lason si DLSA ke apang penta dolo sita me karbiang long ke do arada tum kachini ne deadlone pine ke damtang arnian ke laso awar sai kacho endon abang phi aphan ar judun long lepin lang lasi karbiang long arada tum nangli tum police case pen cheng lok kaprek akisung ke boy do pulote judicial court along ke do DLSA asa hemalong humri damlote nangli tum akisung ke boy dorde pen masap ke jogwan awar sai long ponji legal aid clinic along e kangpu pon along manpeng aluhi aman pen MD Abdul Hakim district and season judge cum chairman DLSA Karbiang long Nayang Sankar Barua member secretary ASLSA lapen Nagu Ahem secretary DLSA Karbiang long lapen Ridakram Sapiatum Chetong Dun Pusi Birta Longdun News Tech Report K News
announce the inauguration of the second legal aid clinic in the district of Karbi Anglong. The first has been already inaugurated and functioning in the district jail, and this is the second one which has been inaugurated in the court complex of the district judiciary. Legal aid clinic is going to play a very important role in the district, not only in helping the people in need of any legal assistance, whether they have been involved in any case or they have been dragged into any case or they wish to take any help from the legal system. But as you know, legal system in this country is complicated, cumbersome, mysterious for the general public who are not well acquainted with the system. Legal aid clinic, which will be manned, it will be serviced by dedicated people like our paralegal volunteers. They will help you to solve any problem or advising in any manner by referring to legal aid lawyers. We have a dedicated team of legal aid lawyers who will give legal advice and also, if necessary, represent in the court by either as a plaintiff, complainant or as a defense accused without charging any fees. Any person who comes to legal aid clinic and is given legal assistance or aid will be given free of cost all the legal fees which will be required for filing cases or for any other matter, for engaging lawyer, legal lawyers fee, etc. will be borne by the legal aid service authority of the district legal service authority of Karbi Anglong. One doesn't have to worry about it, and they will advise you. So this legal aid training is a very important institution. An office has been opened in the district judiciary, in the complex judiciary, and will of course we wish to open our legal aid clinic in many other areas also. It is not only for the judicial complex, but also it can be opened in our autonomous district council area also, where people who needs the national Lok Adalat going on all across the country. Assam also part of it, and our district legal service authority in Karbi Anglong has also conducted, and we have seen many people who have come and they have their problem resolved without resorting to the formal process of law, in absence of formal judge, in absence of formal presence of lawyers, in absence of any formal procedures. By understanding, mutual discussion, agreements have been reached. Many petty cases. For example, see assault cases, small theft case, all petty case, which will go on for years, months and years in the court, are resolved through the mechanism of Lok Adalat. So every next Lok Adalat, I would request the press also to implement. The next Lok Adalat will be held on 12th of December. It is an ongoing process. As you know, because of COVID, the function of the court has been restricted. But this is an exercise which will continue once are resolved at the earliest with a minimum of expenses or inconveniences. So kindly spread this message also to take advantage of this Lok Adalat, where parties, if they have come to a settlement among themselves, can be closed, case can be closed by merely signing an agreement.